In this video, I will be showing you how to instantly get to 10,000 trophies in Clash Royale. Keep in mind that this is for educational purposes only, and this is basically just for show, so you can show it to your friends, and this will go away after you play one game. And the way you do it is basically this link right here. So I'm gonna put this link in description. And once you paste this link into your browser, just open it, paste it into your browser like this. And then once you paste it into your browser, you're gonna want to press copy the deck on the phone that you have Clash Royale in, and then it'll say open in Clash Royale, and just open it. And boom, as you can see, it's this glitch right here, and then you press the X, go down, and boom, as you can see, I'm in 10,000 trophies. I'm not actually in 10,000 trophies, as you can see. It's just for show, so the devs can fix it. And boom, as you can see, I'm at 10,000 trophies. You can even play one game, but it's highly unlikely that you're gonna win because you're very under leveled from everybody else. Like, as you can see, I'm gonna try my hardest to win right here. I'm not really good at this game, so this is some random deck I made. Yeah, I can't lie, we're cooked. This is the most AIDS deck of all time. Probably. Whatever. I'm gonna just let this guy take my towers. I didn't know the hit missed to him. Okay, boom. As you can see, I have lost the game. See, I lost 0 trophies and I gained 0 trophies. And boom, as you can see, I'm back in Arena 4. So this is basically just for show. And I'm only showing this on YouTube so the devs could fix it. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.